Ako nga pala si Kenneth Miranda, 20 years old. Nangangarap na makapagtapos kahit malayo sa teknolohiya. Ako nga pala si Kenneth, siya ang taga-Bukid. Araw-araw naglalakad ng ilang kilometro patungo sa aking paaralan. Kapos ang aking pamilya, kaya naman nung ako'y binigyan ng pagkakataon na mag-aral, lagi kong ginagalingan. Nakakapagod ang aking nagiging lakbay sapagkat malayo ako sa syudad at wala din akong gamit na teknolohiya tulad ng cellphone. Ganun pa man, pinagsusumikapan kong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral para maihawan ko ang aking magulang at wala akong pinagsisisihan kahit anong hirap ng aking pinagdadaanan. Muli, ako si Kenneth.
Nakapag-aral na naman ako. Sino nga yung mga tropa ko? Yung mga kasunod. Ay, yung mga tropa ko. Kasi kasi lang maganda sa pagtulong sa akin para parang ng AI. Nakapasa ko na yun. Sabi ko sudah talaga din sa iyo na tinulong.
Good day, everyone. Today, our topic is the evolution of technology, and we'll be discussing how technology has developed from the first to the third period in human history. Let's start with the first period, which is the prehistoric or Stone Age. During the time, early humans created simple stone tools for hunting and survival. They also discovered fire, which helped them cook food and stay warm. Next is the second period, the era of agriculture and ancient civilizations. Humans began to settle down, farm the land, and domesticate animals. Important inventions like the plow, wheel, and irrigation system made farming easier.
Kailangan mo, ako po sige yung narada, nakasabay mo ako, pasensya na ulit. Kaya po kasi ako nabukid eh.
And the last, we have the third period, which covers the industrial and modern age. This era began with the Industrial Revolution, when machines and factories changed how products were made. Inventions like the steam engine, electricity, telephone, and automobile made life faster and more connected.
I'm going to report the topic of digital technology, to introduce a cell phone, tablet, and laptop to introduce to the student who barely need to learn learning guide. So, our proposed educational resolution aims to bridge digital equality. So, our topic introduced to the student who need and to the rural area of the student who barely need a cell phone to have access to the student or make student learning guide to help them to finish their education.
Mahusay, hindi sapat ang reklamo, kailangan ng action.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ako si Justin Amelio ko, DOST Officer. Layunin ng DOST na dalhin ang STI sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Ito ang produkto ng DOST.
Maraming salamat sa produkto ng bagong pinigay sa akin. Kahit doon sa DOST,